Alright, we have the Rebel V2 coming out on a 5S. Second flight of this for today. We'll come down here. Maybe we can get it off the ground by the time it's in front of us. Go with one tick of flaps. And here we go. Gear coming up. Flaps up. High speed in front of us. Going up. Try one more high speed pass in front of us here. Down a little bit lower if we can. Getting on the throttle right there. Yeah, I really like this on 5S. Flies good on 4S. Alright, Jim, take care. Oh yeah, thanks for reminding me. I forgot all about it. Thank you, sir. You got to break down and get one, Jim.
Is that the one I ought to get?
This is it, baby.
Okay.
Best first EDF you can possibly get your hands on.
And it flies on 4 cells, right?
Yep. I'm flying this one on a 5 cell right now, but 5 cell she comes alive.
Oh, I bet. Okay, yeah, I will think about it. Okay.
Think about it. Break that credit card out, man.
Huh?
Said, don't think about it, just break that credit card out. Coming in.
I broke that credit card out so much here lately, you wouldn't believe it.
Coming in for a landing. And it lands good too if you bleed all your speed off.
Yeah, you got a little wind, not much though. Ooh, good wind.
All right, man, you got to break down, Jim. Get that card out and just say charge.
I'm gonna wait till they have it on sale for $129.
you'll be might as well wait till I wreck this and buy it. All right, Rebel EDF 70mm on 5S. Beautiful plane. Thanks for watching.